Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the Revolved boss base feature in Solidworks. So what this does is it can take a sketch and it'll revolve that sketch around some axis. Then it'll form a 3D structure of it. Okay, so some practical examples could be like I have this little cap here that I use for my mic. So I use that feature to design it. You could use that for a lamp. Basically anything that has some sort of symmetry and you could imagine just like sweeping the thing across some axis, then that's what the revolve boss base would be. Okay, so in this case, we're gonna sketch in the front plane. So maybe you like donuts and you're thinking about donuts. So let's go ahead and make a donut. So you have a circle here, and then you need some axis. And then you could just go ahead, go to features, revolve boss base. And by default, it'll choose the axis of rotation, which we drew here with the center line. And the direction is blind. You could say like up to a surface if it's like only part of it, for example. So you could say here maybe to like the right plane. That could be like a way you could do up to surface, but we're gonna go ahead and say blind for now. You could have like two directions if you want to go like partially one way and then partially the other way. The thin feature is something you could do if you want to have like some sort of shell. So that's what the thin feature is. You could choose the thickness of the shell. That's another option you have. But this here will just give you a complete solid. Okay, so because this one is pretty straightforward, you don't need to have a select a contour. It knows what the contour is. But you can see if I select this here, it'll show the same thing. Okay, so if I hit the check mark, you can see that you have something that's been revolved. Okay, so if you're looking for a donut and want to eat a donut and can't eat a donut but can only look at a donut, you could go ahead and model a donut and look at it. Okay, so hopefully this helped you understand the revolved boss space feature. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.